What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Shop with me, T Hobbs, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody? How are y'all doing today?
Man, the market decided it was not going down without a fight, and we down a whopping. Oh, we actually up 0.9, I think 0.5% on the day.
Anyway, just reminded me of
what's
that line. All my life I had to fight.
Yeah, I gotta fight every night to save my love, prove my love. But listen, man, welcome everybody to the Crypto Shop. My name is T Hobbs, guys, and of course, I brought Jay Seals with me. But ladies and gentlemen, this has been one hell of a week. Yesterday, we endured the absolute worst trading day in the market of 2022 and the worst trading day since 2020 or 2021, June of 2020, but June of 2021, which was basically the pandemic time frame. But just like I said yesterday, markets will recover. When sell-offs are that deep, usually you get a nice recovery. Markets semi-recovered today, and we'll take a look at the SPY as we do that. But obviously, the big news of the day is why, though? Why, though, Kwon? We're going to get into the arrest warrant issue for Do Kwon. We're going to get into some Elon Musk mockery, whatever you want to call it, mocking his whistleblowers. And of course, we got to get into the market and all of DeFi. So strap in, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Crypto Shop. First and foremost, please make sure you tip the motherfucking barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, and let the world of YouTube, Twitter, and everybody else know where you are. That being said, Justin, I think today is Wednesday. I don't even know, man. I think it's hump day. Yeah, today is hump day, September 14th, man. How was your Tuesday night? You didn't have any football to watch. You was probably in the studio making some videos or something, but how was your night, brother?
It was okay. I edited some videos, yeah, and then I was watching some YouTube, just consuming some content and whatnot, and it was great. But I do want to say one thing before we start. I just want to go ahead and thank T Hobbs for becoming a member of the channel. I hope you enjoy that raggedy ass chair, but I promise you, it will get better.
All right. So let me explain. So y'all don't think that I'm just now becoming a member. I've been a member of my own channel. However, there was a fraud situation that happened with my account. Somebody tried to get me for like six bands. When I called the bank, they were like, "You don't know any of these transactions?" I'm like, "No." So they basically canceled my whole debit account right then and there. And for the last week, 2 weeks, I've literally just been going through renewing subscriptions that expire or automatic payments that come out. And then, of course, YouTube hit me with the, "Hey, man, your payment failed." When I went to go renew it, they started me over from the beginning. So I'm right back in that raggedy ass chair. So I'm happy to be here. It's all good. I can support my own channel. It's all good. But let's get into these comments, man. We got Jonathan Fope in the building. He says, "What's up? Me and my sister are barbers, but I'm give with you saying. I be give with you saying." Somebody translate that for me because I don't know what Jonathan's trying to say. PS5 Future Gaming says, "Crypto Shop, Justin, my crypto brothers. Rumor says Luna Classic forming bullish divergence pattern on the 4-hour to the upside at 307. True or false? TA." We'll get into it, man. We'll get into it. Thanks for letting us know. I haven't even taken a look at the 4-hour, but I'll let it know. Timsky says, "Oh, snap. Riding the Saitama highs was worth it. Got out of Luna Classic. Now what?" Hey, man, we on to the next one. Dave the DJ in the building says, "Finally made it back to the shop, man. I missed my chair." Let's go, Dave. Hopefully it got better for you, man. I hope the chair looks nice. Tony P says, "Hello, shop family. Hope everyone is doing well." What's going on, Tony P? We are great. Ford says, "What's up, family?" What's going on, Ford, man? Cortez says, "What's good, Crypto Shop? Hobbs, Seals. I wonder how many people ran off because of the arrest warrant. New because of the arrest warrant now. It won't shake me." Nah, I'm chilling, man. I had $500 in there. I still got $500 in there. It's probably not worth $500, but I'm chilling, man. Know what you hold, know why you hold, and if it ever looks like you don't want to be there, then go ahead and get out. Cortez says, "News." Okay, cool. Dillinger Day says, "What's up, fam? Hope it's a great day for everyone." Absolutely, Dillinger Day. John Roddy says, "What's up, BTF fam? BTFA fam. Let's go, BTFA. Let's go, Bears." Let's go. Tony P says, I almost pinched myself laughing at that thumbnail. Hey, bro, that thumbnail was great. I thought it was excellent. You know, I decided to play with the filters a little bit, but it was like a play on words. It was like, no. Like, I hope everybody got it. It took Justin a while. I'm not going to lie.
No, it didn't.
Justin Hellcat says, what's up? Let's get it, Justin. Then we got Tristan in the building, says, happy hump day shop. They can arrest Kwon, but leave the token alone. He can buy from his cell. Let's get it. Forrest says, Hobbs and Seals, where you at? Let's go, Forrest. Thank you for stopping by. We got Pop in the building, says, let's get it, fam. Tip the motherfucking barber. You know what time it is.
Was Pop in here yesterday when you was talking all that smack about fantasy this week?
No, but Pop, in case you missed it, yesterday I said I'm about to smash you in fantasy. So get in line, strap your seatbelt on, and let's play. All right, John Roddy, the market needs Hobbs to wear his red shirt. No, that's specifically if I'm feeling some type of way, man. Uncle Bam Bam says, hello, everyone. What's going on, Uncle Bam Bam? Eddie T says, what up, T Hobbs and Justin? Tip the barber and sub. Let's get it. Yo, what up, OG Carlito? What's going on, man? Forrest says, Elon really dropped a whistle for 60-ish bucks of those. Low-key wanted one just because. I low-key was about to buy one yesterday. I still might if they're available. I still might buy one. Crypto Family in the building. Shout out to my man Crypto Family. Says Kwon better do the race. Hey, man, he better get out of there. He better get out of there, Crypto Family. Why they try to get my guy Doe? I don't know, though. Doe. No. Crypto Shop Luna Classic is a community-driven coin and is posted by millions on Twitter. Enough said. Hey, everybody's covering it. You know what I mean? Like, everybody's covering it. It's news. It's DeFi news. It's what we do. We are cryptocurrency YouTube channels. We'd be remiss if we didn't cover the news. And by far, Luna Classic controls YouTube right now. It's a very, very interesting story. Kwon going to jail is just another chapter. So let's talk about it. Mr. Pop says, we got you, T Hobbs. Send John Roddy your seed phrases and we will investigate this fraud activity. I'm on it right now. John Roddy says, BTFA NFT holders, go to BTFA Telegram, pin messages, and you'll see the whitelisted wallets for the 2 free NFTs and whitelisted for the first round mint. 100%. I'll pull it up on here.
I think they're also on Discord as well.
Yeah, they should be on Discord and TG, but they're posted on TG just because TG is still our announcement channel, right? So Jonathan Foe says, I get what you're saying. My screen is all broken, so texting isn't the best at times. Oh, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Malik Yashay says, my eyes are still sore from the Discord and that short squeeze. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Oh, you talk about the picture Foxy sent? Yeah, I wasn't a fan. We'll negotiate. I'll send you 5% commission. Is it my phone or is it Justin more orange than usual? It's his lighting, y'all. Like, he got lights, but he right by a window. Or something.
Yeah, I'll be too dark, so I had to open up the window.
And then shout out to John Roddy. He letting us know already. We got 41 people in the building and only 21 likes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get those likes up. Please don't forget to tip the barber on your way in. If you're only staying for a short while, don't forget to tip your barber on the way out. Hit that like button. It helps push us up in the algorithm so we get noticed by more and more investors out there. T Hobbs, Justin, everyone trying to catch that BTC 19K. It won't last long. ETH merged, then September 20th, Luna Classic burn. Let's effing go. Let's go, PS5. Tony P, I noticed that too, but I didn't want to say nothing. He's not even that orange. I don't know what y'all talking about. The only thing you're going to pass is the crying MJ emoji. We'll see, Pop. But I'm sure you're going to get the call like Mr. Young, that safety call. I mean, roughing the passer call. Yeah. Join the Patreon. Yes, sir. Absolutely, man. If you guys are interested, please join the private group. We have a little bit of fun in there. We talk some business in there, and we talk about crypto and stocks all day long in there, except for when Foxy's posting pictures of italics. No. Anyway. All right. So let's get into this market, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like we're about 50-50. I'd say 50. I'd say about 30, 40, meaning pretty much even split between green and red, and the rest is just kind of flat, right? So the market's overall not looking too bad today in comparison to yesterday. Any green was welcome. Oh, look at that, Justin. Look at that. Crystal says, love the music. Feel I need a pina colada in my hand sitting on the beach. See, Justin has no idea that I changed the music. And that's why I changed the music.
Must be great.
And I don't tell him I'm changing the music because he has no idea I changed the music because he can't hear the music. So I love when y'all comment on the music. I appreciate it. Yeah, Foxy roughing the passer, right? But yeah, so if we take a look over here to the SPY, right? And we're going to have all three windows open as we're getting a nice little rally into close for the SPY. Yesterday, do I even have to remind you how bad yesterday was? Yesterday was historically bad, like literally historically bad. Like we haven't seen this much movement to the downside in the SPY in over a year, right? So this day we just erased it from our memory. We don't even need to remember that day, but we might see another day like that. Now, as we looked at the SPY today, it looked like it was going to consolidate at yesterday's pre-market high, right? And that's kind of what it was doing besides this little dip right here. But then we actually got a movement to the downside. And then right before the market closed, just to give, people a little hope going into the next day so they can crush your dreams tomorrow, they pumped the market right back to where we started, 394. So as you can see, we're up a whopping 0.02% on the day, which basically means we didn't even move, right? We opened up at 394, we closed at 394. So the market really didn't do much at all. So that being said, we take a look over here at Ethereum. Ethereum, again, like we talked about yesterday in the Discord, the 1600 level has been a very, very strong level of support for Ethereum. The fact that it's not dropping and the fact that it's not dropping too far below this resistance levels just let us know that it's kind of staying in this particular area, trying to hold on to this 1600 level within about $30, right? If we get past that level and we drop out of that 1500 range, we're most likely looking at, let's take a look at this day chart here. I think the next level of support is like about 1400, 1389, somewhere around there. So with the Ethereum merger coming up tomorrow, which is a very big day for Ethereum, we'll see kind of how things react. We're going to find out tomorrow whether people are unstaking and dumping, not unstaking, can't get their stakes. There's a lot of stuff going on tomorrow and a lot of news that we got to cover in regards to that. So that being said, let's take a look at BTC. BTC under 20,000 yet again. It's been flirting with this area of consolidation right here, right at the $20,000 range. So having a false breakout to the downside on BTC is not out of the ordinary. For the most part, everything basically followed the macroeconomics of the overall market. Consolidation, dip, and then recovery. And that's basically where we are in the way I see the markets today. Justin, your thoughts, good sir.
Yeah, I like the way you sugarcoated everything because I don't think it's as pretty as what you make it out to be. So I'm going to be devil's advocate, and I'm gonna invoke some inner John Roddy here in this and say that the Bears are back in town. Your Bears, your Chicago Bears are back in town. Y'all suck. I hate Chicago, but the Bears are in the market. And I think if you just look at today, it was a nothing day. It was straight up consolidation. We didn't do nothing. And that should scare everybody for more downside to come. And I'm with Powell. There's more pain in the market to come. It's coming. And yeah, I mean, we're not going to get many more days. Not many more days till this next drop. September 21st. Next drop. Market.
Hey, look, I'm going to change our names down here to T. Hobbs, Bull. J. Seals, Bear. Because Justin, man, you do such a great job of it. I think I do a really good job of, pampering to my bulls. But then you just come in and be like, all right, Bears, listen up.
Yeah, let's get in this huddle real fast.
Like, I got y'all real quick. Come over here, man. So it's all about.
I'm drafted. Look, wait. I'm drafting John Roddy and Daniel. They can come with me. You take everybody else. That's all I need.
I got the rest of the squad, man. The Bulls are riding with me. Hold on, what's up with this background? There we go. I thought I looked a little bit dark. But yeah, like it's too dark in here. I don't like the way Justin be coming for my Bears. Look, for all you Bears out there, man, it's all good, man. Y'all cool. Like y'all had y'all time. Just let us get the market back. You know what I'm saying? I'm for the Bulls, man. I'm always gonna be for the Bulls. One, I'm a Chicago fan, so you already know what that is. But I'm also a Chicago fan, so I should be a Bear. Does that mean because I'm from Chicago, I'm allowed to be a Bull and a Bear, Justin?
Maybe.
I don't know what that means. Like
I feel confused.
I just talk myself into the fact that I can be a Bull or a Bear, like right national on TV. But anyway,
on national TV.
I was about to say on national TV. We definitely not national, but yeah. So all right, let's get into these comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the market, and then we'll move on to some stories. So markets might stay like this until the FOMC meeting is over, until everybody, whether it's going to be 75 or 100. I'm rooting for 100. Even though I'm a bull, I'm rooting for 100. Let's get the pain over with, man. Let's just get through this. So does it look like the merger is still going to happen around 1 a.m. Eastern? Yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's creeping up.
Did it change the 1 a.m.
Yeah,
Eastern?
yeah, it's creeping up there.
Because I thought it was 1 p.m.
It's creeping up much faster than expected. Dang. I think it's down to like 8 hours or something like that.
But what if it doesn't happen though? Like, what if it doesn't happen on time?
Then it's gonna tank. Ethereum's gonna fucking tank. Honestly, I don't think so. I think people still gonna hold ETH. You know.
Yeah.
Mr. Papa says, did I read this correctly at John Roddy? Did you say BTFA NFT free minting is 2 NFTs per wallet? Chicago said we hate that mustache. Let's go, Cub. Let's go, Cub.
I was weak when I read
this. How dare that be the first thing I hear? Let's go, Cub. I'm glad to have you in the building, man. I'm glad to have you as always. For the wallets on the whitelist, yes, Pop. Over 1.5 trillion lost in the markets yesterday. Insane. Yeah, they put out a story that like some of the top 3 richest people in the world lost like 93 billion, but all of them still smiling. Why? Because if they lost 93 billion, imagine how much the rest of the world is losing. They like, yeah, we still the richest people. We just $93 billion less than what we had. Yeah. So 2 free NFTs per wallet for whitelisted wallets of the OG NFTs. Yep. Pop, you're supposed to know that. More than the entire crypto market, yeah, basically.
Yeah.
The Dacryptoshop, Justin, poll on Bulls versus Bears after September 20th. Okay, we can do a poll. I mean, I don't get a lot of engagement on my Twitter account, but I'll try to do a poll. And obviously, I'll do one in the Discord. So actually, no, I'll just do it on Twitter because Discord polls are hard. Pause. What's going on, Boca G? Hope you're having a good day, man. Sorry I'm late. Was watching Pure Comedy. Oh, yeah, I'm sure. The music is fire. You hear that, Justin? Oh, that's right. You don't hear that. Pun intended. Hey, Justin, going to hold more grudges in that mustache. They're coming for that mustache, Justin. Wait, what month is it that you're supposed to grow a mustache? Is it October?
No, it's November.
Mustache. No
shave November.
Yeah, if you think Justin's mustache is bad now, wait till November, ladies.
I'm still gonna shave it down, not off. I don't let it grow.
All right, so let's get into some of this news. First and foremost, shout out to my Terra Luna Classic lunatics in the building. Thumbs up in the chat if you hold in there Terra Luna, because Terra Luna, despite the downside that they're experiencing on the day, they are still getting top-notch exchanges to participate in that 1.2% tax burn proposal, i.e. BitTrue. BitTrue has announced officially that it will support the 1.2% tax burn proposal, and the tax burn expected to go live September 20th at the Terra Luna Classic block height of that number. After the proposal is submitted, we will upgrade the wallet on September 19th, 10 UTC, and deposits and withdrawal will be closed at that same time. The recovery time of deposits and withdrawals will be announced later. Once the burn tax is live, deposits and withdrawals of Luna Classic and all other tokens via Terra Luna Classic Network will be affected in the following manner. Deposits, transactions will be taxed by the Terra Luna Classic Network before it reaches BitTrue. Sounds familiar, just like Binance. The balance will be credited to your BitTrue account after 1.2% tax deduction by the network. Withdrawal, users will receive the withdrawal amounts minus withdrawal fees charged by BitTrue and the 1.2 tax deduction by the network. Details on proposal. Notice they didn't cover spot trading because these are the only two things that they'll be also covering, which is deposits and withdrawal. So even though I came down hard on Binance, and I didn't really come down hard on them, I just said Binance holds 50% of the supply of Luna Classic, right? 50%. They represent 50% of the trading value on the Terra Luna Classic. That being said, you want at least Binance to set the standard. If Binance would have came out and said they're supporting the spot trading, guess what all of these other exchanges would have done? They would have fell right in line and did the exact same thing. So when I say that people respond with, well, everybody's doing that, I'm like, yeah, but Binance is the one that matters. When they hold 50% of the trading value, they're the ones that hold the cards. So, Justin, your thoughts on the BitTrue announcement, good sir?
It's a nothing burger. Completely doesn't matter. Even if they went and said we're going to do spot trading, it still doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. The only exchange that matters is Binance at this point, in my opinion. That's it. If Binance doesn't do spot trading, all the other exchanges can do spot trading, and it's still not going to matter because Binance holds too much of the trading volume. For Terra Luna Classic to do what everybody wants it to do, it's got to be spot trading and it's got to be Binance. Just straight facts, not even opinionated. That's just the truth. So,
facts. Hold on. Somebody just asked me to do a poll in the chat, so I'm gonna do that. Hold on.
Movember.
Cash.
What is Brovember? What?
All right, here we go. All right, we officially have a poll in the chat. Thank you so much for reminding me that I could do a poll. PS5. I went ahead and dropped it in the chat. The question of the day is, well, not the question of the day, but the topic of the day is, are you a bull or are you a bear? Or are you just holding a cash position? I'm sure we'll probably get more people in cash position than bull or bear, but we'll see how it goes. Brovember, yeah. Movember, I think is what it's called. Luke Jensen says, maybe soon after successful merge, institutional money will pump up ETH, so my ERC20 assets can pump too. Agreed. Look at all these thumbs up in the chat for Luna Classic. You guys talking about Movember? Have you heard of Julina? Chicks don't trim down there. Oh, no, I haven't heard of that. Whatever Binance decided to do, the other exchanges will follow. Exactly. That's exactly the way I feel. No, I've never heard of Julina. That's a little weird. All right, so let's get into my man Elon Musk, man. This was crazy. I don't know if anybody was paying attention to this yesterday, but I was definitely all over Twitter. Let me pull up his account real quick because the dude was straight up tripping. Let me see.
Hey, shout out to Brian Miller. Shout out to you. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm a Bill because Josh. Oh, come on now.
Yeah, oh. Brian. Let him know. Let him know.
The freeze from a special trade. Hey, Elon, if you guys haven't noticed lately, Elon been on his troll mode. He's got troll mode fully engaged. He said, yes, this was 12 hours ago. He said, salted butter is amazing, but should be stored at room temperature. He said, butter watching the other food items in the fridge from this special tray. But look, yesterday, my man went crazy yesterday. He was basically, this was, if you guys didn't know, there was a whistleblower in regards to the Twitter investigation or whatever. So in true Elon Musk fashion, this man created a whole cyber whistle. A whole cyber whistle, like this is a straight up I don't give a F about your whistleblower move right here. And then literally posted as part of his Tesla products that you can buy with Dogecoin. For 1,000 Doge, they already sold out, right? Out of stock. For 1,000 Doge, you could get this one-of-a-kind cyber whistle that goes with the Cybertruck. Truly has no utility whatsoever to the Cybertruck. It's completely a troll, and this thing sold out in a matter of minutes. This was crazy to me, and of course, we had to cover it in the shop. You guys let me know what your thoughts are on it, but I wanted you to take a look at some of these tweets that he put out. Let me see. Yeah, so help, I'm being repressed. My tweets are being suppressed. Please fix at Twitter, verified Paragon. This dude is the ultimate troll, man. If you were curious about what Elon is up to, he's busy trolling Twitter because he knows he's probably going to lose the case and have to buy Twitter anyway. But this is just what you call FU money. Basically, he made a gimmick, a mockery out of it, and then made, a few thousand Doge off of it, or probably a few million Doge off of it. Who knows? The dude is crazy, man, but I think it's very, very funny. Again, I don't engage with stuff like this, but it's kind of entertaining to me, to say the least. And then I was looking up L Bank over here. So, Justin, what are your thoughts on old Elon Musk and his whistleblower item that he posted?
I think Elon Musk needs to single-handedly give utility to Doge by getting more products for Dogecoin to be bought and sold on off his Twitter, but on his website. That's actually kind of a dope thing though. Like he literally has so much power over Dogecoin that he could probably make this thing run again like crazy if he started making popular products just like this one and sold them for Doge on his sites. So I don't know. It's interesting. It's funny. It's definitely funny. The man is he just doesn't care.
Yeah, he doesn't care. And the whistle resembles the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention.
That's why he called it the cyber whistle, because of the Cybertruck. Yeah, and it looks like it too. Like that's the first thing I thought. I was like, is that a mini Cybertruck figurine type of thing? Is a whistle
hilarious, bro.
Oh, and you know what's even
threw the Dogecoin sign on there.
But
bro.
you know what? You know what's even funny about it? Because it's a dog whistle and the Dogecoin for the whistle.
Dogecoin, a dog whistle. Plus, it goes with the Doge. It's very, very clever. It's clever. It's the ultimate troll move, in my opinion. Just confirm my wallet is indeed on the snapshot. Good job, BTFA. Let's go for it. The Bulls can just send me ETH to keep the money in the family instead of getting wrecked from bull traps and opium. Nobody send John Roddy ETH. Don't do it. You will not get it back. Elon loves to troll. Yeah, he does. No use at all. It's still one, right? No use case whatsoever. I just want one, right? Dave says, will staking rewards be turned off for BTFA when the merge happens? Should we wait until the last day or so to swap, or it won't matter because rewards won't be accumulating anyway? Yeah, so rewards will stop the day before migration. So migration is on the 26th, so staking vaults will be unlocked on the 25th. I think I got my dates right. Yeah, so it'll be locked the day before migration, and then the rewards will also stop. So you won't be accumulating any more tokens after about the 25th, I think it is. So let me just double check my notes. Hang on. I got them in here real quick. Because I actually pulled it up for Justin. He asked me the same thing earlier. Yeah, so the September 26th migration, 25th is when staking vaults will be turned off. So there you go. And then Luke Denson says, Elon needs to drop Doge and come to the Shiv army. We got a lot more utility. Bro, he could pump so many different tokens for real, for real. Whitelist, booyah. Let's go, Timsky. Whistleblowers get paid huge from the feds for whistleblowing, LOL. I'm sure they get some type of perk. C-boy, for sure. Core says it was like 50 million Doge traded in less than a minute. Might be a bit off, but it was crazy. Yeah, I'm sure. Cryptoshop Justin, John Roddy, bull traps be crazy. BTC hit 20K, then bull bear. Crypto be crazy as fuck. Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
how long will a merge portal be open on Everrise? It will be open from the 25th or the 26th, to the 15th or 16th of October. So roughly about 3 weeks. Hang on, I gotta get back in here. Yeah, I know Vote was open for about 10 days. Yeah, we're gonna be open for about 3 weeks, I think. Yeah.
So all trading is gonna stop for 3 weeks?
No, all trading will not stop, but you'll be able to. That'll be the migration period. Actually, I have to double check if trading will actually be paused. I'm not 100% sure because I don't think the trading will have to be paused until all tokens are migrated. And then they'll pause it to start the migration or make that token live, if that makes sense. So when Vote migrated over from their V1 to V2 contract, the migration, you could still trade V1 up until migration day. On migration day, then they'll drain the liquidity from V1 and then it'll migrate over to V2, and then they'll make trading live on V2.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, all trading is going to be stopped for 3 weeks until.
No, you're not listening to me at all. When Vote did their migration for 10 days, you could still trade V1 on the V1 chart.
Oh, yeah. I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, we're talking. Okay, we're on the same page. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I was about to say no. The trading won't be stopped for 3 weeks. It'll only be stopped the day of migration.
I mean, as far as you won't be able to trade swing DAO until the 13 days are up. Yes. Okay. Yes. That's what I was trying
to 3 weeks or whatever. Yes.
Oh,
Swing DAO will not be live until October 16th.
Gotcha.
That's the official day of migration. So that is when trading will be live for that. Pump BTFA and Bandex before merge. People, let's get this money for. You already know what it is, bro. I'm just saying. Ratios are BTFA 1-to-1, Bandex 2-to-1. Not financial advice. John Roddy says they will probably just have investors trade V1 for V2, which won't impact the chart. Of course, allow people to buy tokens. Trading won't stop because that wouldn't make sense. Quit flooding. Just kidding. Shut up, John. AJ Ross says, bro, people are going crazy with these news about Luna and they are selling. But when Luna goes to all-time highs, people will buy it. Yeah, AJ, that's how it works, man. Unfortunately, that's just how it works, man. Like, people buy when things are going up and they sell when things are going down, man. Unfortunately, that's the world of emotional traders that we live in. So that is the news on Elon Musk, but obviously we had to talk about the headliner. This is not it. Why am I saying that? Where is it? Did I not post it? Where is he? Here we go. There's the man. All right, the man, the myth, the legend. Officially, Mr. Do Kwon, Terra, South Korea issues arrest warrant against Do Kwon. And Justin, I should have had you pull up this article.
Hey, that was Corey in the house.
Against Do Kwon. Now, guys, there are some stories out there that are talking about this man is already arrested. Now, those stories I don't think are true. But I mean, he got an arrest warrant, so he's gonna be arrested, right? Like, at least that's how it works in America. Maybe it's different in South Korea, but if you get an arrest warrant, that means they coming for that ass, right?
Is he still in South Korea? That's the real question.
That's the real question. He should be on a, But anyway, regulators around the world have been carrying out investigations against Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon and other related parties. Earlier this year, Terra Luna and its native stablecoin UST shed most of their value. This resulted in massive losses for investors. We already know all of this, right? This is what I got to deal with these pop-up blockers, man. Per the latest development, South Korean authorities have issued a warrant for Do Kwon, indicating that they intend to arrest the Terra founder at recent Bloomberg reports. Now, here's the question. Capital Market Act violation by Terra. Like, we already know the story. We know that, like, people trusted him with their money and he failed them. The question is, really, what are they really going to do if they can't find this man? If he's not in South Korea, like, what can they actually do? What does this truly mean for Terra Luna? I'll tell you. Am I frozen? Oh, okay, there we go.
You're fine.
The problem is, guys, if this man, and I don't know this to be a fact or fiction, but if Do Kwon truly holds the keys to Terra Luna, the question is, does he hold the keys to Terra Luna Classic? If this man gets locked up, that helps absolutely nobody, right? So the question still remains, and I don't know if anybody's answered it. Maybe they have. I just ain't been paying attention to it. The question is, how much power does Do Kwon have over Terra Luna Classic? I know the community is strong, and I know the community is behind this thing, and I know it was built by other devs, but the question still remains, does he have any pull on Terra Luna Classic? Because if so, this is a problem. Justin, your thoughts, good sir.
Exactly. But I think his influence is outside because of the fact that it's Terra Luna Classic and people know that he's affiliated with Terra Luna, right? So even though they're two different projects, he affects that project without actually being involved in the project, which is never a good thing. But as far as the whole, him getting arrested thing goes, I mean, I kind of think it needs to happen, honestly. I mean, he's never going to get all those people's money back. But from everything that I've read and kind of all the research that I've done into it, if he truly did move money before the collapse happened, then he at least knew that something was going to happen enough to want to make him move money out just in case, right? Because the whole collapse happened when they took some money out of a liquidity pool. So, I mean, it's like you knew the money was getting moved. You knew it could be a potential problem. And then you took some money out just in case, just to protect yourself.
Exactly.
That to me is pretty. If you can prove that, then I mean, right there, you've already violated a lot of rules, and you should be put away. But as far as Terra Luna Classic goes, I think that as long as they keep their 3-step plan and they actually follow through with it, and everything works to Terra Rebels, the plan that they have, I think they'll be just fine. And I think a penny is definitely reasonable, and at least 6 months to a year from now, I could definitely see that happening.
Yeah, and I mean, everything is pretty much working to plan. Nothing has, dare I say, fundamentally changed in Terra Luna, right? Terra Luna Classic. Everything that they said that they were trying to do, which is get the burns on particular exchanges, they've done. Every big exchange that they wanted to get to participate, they've actually done it. So that being said, to me, it really doesn't even matter. Like, this guy was gonna get prosecuted. Let's keep it a buck. Like, no matter what, this guy was gonna get prosecuted. Why did we have like a jump in like 70 people in here all of a sudden, and then it went right back down to 50? That was weird. But the fact of the matter still remains is what is gonna happen to him. And you know, if I'm holding Terra Luna Classic, which I am, the question still remains, hey, is this guy involved or is he not involved? If he's not involved, it's a nothing burger, period, point blank. However, in regards to Terra Luna Classic and the chart, let's take a look at this 4-hour chart as PS5 wanted to let us know about. What was he saying? I forget what he said. Anyway, but if we take a look at the 4-hour chart over here, we're still in somewhat of a downtrend. We had a little bit of a recovery here, and now we're starting to head back down. This consolidation is a good thing because it does kind of line up with our Fibonacci levels of support right here. Now, the problem is that people are selling off, obviously, because of this bad news. Negative catalysts make people sell. That just is what it is. However, if you have confidence in Terra Luna Classic and you truly believe in the goal of Terra Luna Classic, guys, this is the location that I really wanted to wait for. This is what I was hoping to get so that I could truly get in. I got in because of the craziness of the sub count, the craziness of the views. I was like, you know what? Let me show my support. Let's get it. I didn't get in at a horrible spot, but this right here, it got me thinking I might want to put that other 500 in. I'm not even going to hold you. Like, if it continues to fall, if it continues to hold support at this level, remember, I said I wanted to put 1,000 in. I still got a $500 cash position that I might potentially go ahead and throw in Luna Classic, depending on how well it holds this support level. So be on the lookout for this. Make sure you pay attention to the 1 hour, 4 hour, and potentially the 15-minute, depending on how you're trying to trade Luna Classic. So that's the information for Luna Classic. Been a crazy day. We got BitTrue. We got my man going to jail, but we'll see what's up. C-Boy says whistleblowers get 10 to 30% of the money collected. Ooh, I mean, what money are they collecting though? I mean, they suing them, but I think they're suing them to buy the company. So I don't think they're suing them for actual money. They just want them to buy the damn company. They're gonna get 44 billion. So is that dude from White Castle? What? It must have been the ad. If I was in South Korea, says Luke Distant, I wouldn't announce it until I had him in custody and I have him near podium and do a live announcement of the arrest warrant, laughing my ass off. Yeah, if he heard this, which I'm sure he knew this information well before it came out and hit the news. I wouldn't say if he's smart. If he's not guilty, he's going to turn himself in. But since it's been over 6-7 hours and we ain't heard of nothing him turning himself in, he's probably guilty, so he's probably not in South Korea. I'm just saying. Whistle snitches get free stitches. Fred says, what up, fellas? I think the Dogecoin news is cap. Oh, you think it is? You don't think it's true? It could be. John Wright, that's what I tell my granddaughter. LOL, snitches get stitches. She's 4 and I know and knows now. Dogecoin singing that Akon. I'm locked up. They won't let me out, right? We'll never know the truth about Dogecoin's influence because there's no regulation. All we can do is speculate, and speculation isn't worth shit. I mean, I agree. Man, leave Dogecoin alone. He's innocent. I ain't messing with him, bro. I just think it's interesting to follow. Like I said, I'm not over leveraged in any position, so I can try to be as objective as possible for anything that I talk about, right? So they just trying to keep the price down with the Warrant news. Too much of a coincidence to happen this week. Luna Classic gets to 409 territory. I'll jump on that hype train. Yeah, don't let it come down to 4. I'm definitely gonna grab a bag. Like I said, remember, Saitama, how many red flags before we take what we can take and bounce? I mean, I don't think this is like Saitama though, right? Like to me, this is totally different because I mean, Saitama had DeFi food. Luna Classic or Terra Luna had the whole world food, right? Like there was multiple people in this thing, like multiple, right? Now, in the grand scheme of things, do I think Terra Luna Classic has a ton of utility and they're looking to be a blue chip token? No, that's not what I'm touting. What I'm saying is they have a plan for recovery and they have the number one utility, which is community. Now, take what you want from that, right? Obviously, have a trading plan in anything you do. Take your money when you're up, take your profits, and then you don't have to sweat it as much. So, Cryptoshop, ETH, Link, 88 up in percentage. Have no position in these. Luna Classic and Sheep is my community coin, baby. For God knows when I pull profits that all-time high. Let's get it, man. Get your money. AJ Ross says, bro, there are rumors out there that Kwon is in Singapore. If it's true, unfortunately, South Korea won't go to Singapore to arrest him. Anyways, it's so obvious that 7 days before the burn, these news, yeah. And then it is kind of coincidental. Justin don't really believe in coincidence. Y'all know how he is. So
it's not that. It's just that, like, we got to put this burn into perspective for a second. This burn isn't going to do nearly as much as people think it's going to do because it's not on spot trading, right? All this is doing is making people stay exactly where they're at with their position, right? Let me ask you a question, AJ. Wherever you bought Terra Luna on, or Terra Luna Classic on, are you planning on moving it? Are you planning on withdrawing it and depositing it somewhere else?
Just to get the burn?
Because if you're not, then you're not burning it. So it's like, it's a great start, but spot trading burning is the only way that this thing is going to recover. So just being completely honest.
And that's why I specifically said, look, the volume that's coming in, you want this volume during the burn, and you want that burn to be spot trading, right? That volume would have made more sense. It would have made more impact during the actual burn when the 1.2% was activated when we hit September 20th. But after September 20th, and the fact that the burn is only affecting deposits and withdrawals, it's kind of a, we'll see what happens, because I just don't think that that's enough volume, or that's not enough times for the burn to be initiated in comparison to the volume that's out there for this to truly affect the circulating supply or the total supply, which is what you need it to do. So
yeah.
Okay, that's what we just read. Okay, C-Boy says, no, I mean there's actual payments through a government whistleblower program. Oh, that pays out millions. Oh, okay. I mean, blow the whistle, get your money, I guess. I mean, hey, look, man,
right, we're buying C-Boy a Elon Musk whistleblower whistle. We're gonna send it to you.
Yeah, and then of course Elon Musk back in the news, making people return to the office policy. More than 3 months, Elon Musk back to office edict. Tesla still doesn't have the room or resources to bring all of its employees back to office. Okay, I think they just really trying to hammer Elon like they always do, but it is what it is, man. And then this is the story I was telling you guys about. CZ from Binance, Musk, Bezos, Gates, and other billionaires lose $93 billion on Tuesday. Now, in the grand scheme of things, it's a lot of money, but these dudes, come on. Combined, they make up probably a percentage of the world's wealth, right? Like a huge percentage of the world's wealth. So losing 93 billion in paper value losses doesn't really make a difference for these guys. Let's keep it a buck. But according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics released on U.S. inflation data for August on Tuesday, while the expected number revolved around 8.1%, the actual release numbers stood much higher at 8.3%. The same has increased the odds of the Fed implementing a 75 basis point interest rate hike, which is what we talked about. And then down here it says, owing to said pessimistic sentiment, most markets traded in the red on Tuesday. Even at press time, they were struggling to recover. The crypto market lost an aggregate 6% in value, but we've been here before, bro. We've been here over the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping 8 and 6% respectively. Stocks of crypto associated companies like Coinbase and MicroStrategy has also taken a hit, but MicroStrategy don't care. They buying more. They buying the dip for real, for real. In fact, the bourses were also trading in the red. NASDAQ was down 5.1% at close time, and the billionaires just take a hit. The wealth of Americans' richest billionaires dropped by $93 billion on Tuesday, attributing the same to the stock market sell-off, a recent Bloomberg report noted. Billionaires' large daily losses reflect a broad sell-off in the U.S. stock market, as investors bet the consumer price index that came in higher than expected will cause the Federal Reserve to raise interest rate more aggressively. Now, Justin, before you react to this, I got a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Given this news, and I'm going to remind you of the phases, right? Given this news, what say you about what phase of the bear market we are currently in? Do you feel like we're in the first phase, the second phase, or the third? I know we're not in the fourth phase. But what do you say about?
I mean, we still got to be in the second phase. We're still falling too sharply, too quickly.
Yep.
You can't have falls like this and be, in the third phase. So yeah, yep. Definitely second.
Yeah, I feel like markets are starting to. I think the next phase or the next part of this phase is going to be earnings. right? I feel like the next step that we're gonna get to after the FOMC meeting and all this other stuff, when earnings come out again and they start to be atrocious, right? I think that's gonna be the next step of market coming down and markets finally just capitulating to the bears, right? That being said, I hope it happens soon because I need to get back. I need to get in that third phase, man. I need to get there. I just can't take this bearish activity. Now, that being said, man, what are your thoughts on these 4 billionaires losing 93 billion in value?
I mean, that's crazy. But I mean, when you think about how much money they made during COVID, they probably are still net positive to this day after losing all, or after making all that money and then losing some of it. So, I mean, yeah, it's crazy. But the other thing you got to think about is they're probably positioned so nicely in the stock market that they're just gonna make it all up. They're not worried about it.
They have such large, like, just imagine how much Tesla stock Elon has, or Amazon stock Bezos has, like, or Microsoft and Apple, or Binance. Like, come on, these dudes got so much wealth in their stock portfolio that's why what people don't realize is Elon's already built his cash position. When Tesla was running up to $1,200 and $1,300 a share, and he was yelling, "I'm selling," because the price is too high, and people was like, "Why you flooding your own bag?" He's like, "No, I'm telling y'all that you need to be selling because these prices are way too high." He was taking his cash off the table right then, and he was okay with what was left. So him losing 93 billion, he already made 40 and 50 billion selling Tesla stock. Hundreds of $1 million selling Tesla stock at the height right before the split. So these dudes know what they're doing, man. So that being said,
he's probably buying right back into Tesla as we speak.
Exactly. You will not get a tear from me, bro. You will not. Now, Justin, did you have a story over there, good sir? I don't want to take every headline over here because I got quite a few.
Yeah, we talked about this a little while ago, and I found this update about the Bitcoin Academy that Jay-Z started. So if y'all didn't know, Jay-Z started a Bitcoin Academy that serves Brooklyn, New York, and is backed by Jack Dorsey. And basically, they're just trying to teach financial freedom and financial literacy to the younger generation. And apparently, it's been going pretty well. So they got a 12-week crash course that they're having people sit through. Careers in crypto is one of them, which it's actually kind of cool. Like having the fact that this sector is opening up to people for career-wise. That's just adding more jobs and more job growth and giving more legitimacy to crypto too. Also, why decentralization matters, which, I mean, we all know why that is. But interesting. So Danny Kraft told the Daily Beast that he thought Bitcoin was a scam. So, I just think this is another good way, especially when you have someone like Jay-Z being as big as he is, being able to educate people on cryptocurrency, being that influential figure that he is. It just brings more legitimacy to the space. And I know some people might not like the fact that a celebrity can bring more legitimacy, but I mean, it's the truth. People listen to these people. I mean, they're not leaders for nothing. So
yeah. I mean, me personally, I really like the fact that it's brought out of Brooklyn, New York, and people that don't know, Brooklyn is completely diversified, right? Completely. So what I like about it is it's bringing Bitcoin, or it's bringing crypto awareness to people that in the past didn't get that education that they needed for that next leg up before it was too late. I feel like these people learning Bitcoin, learning the blockchain, learning about cryptocurrency is huge for the future of our children, right? I would love to send my kids to a cryptocurrency blockchain type academy where they're teaching things that are going to go a long way in the future, teaching about macroeconomics, economics in general, because I feel like that's where the future is going to be headed. And if you don't understand it now, you're going to understand it too late when the prices are way too high. And at that point, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other tokens that we're looking at right now are going to be at levels that we're going to be like, bro, I was buying that shit when it was $800, $300. You know what I mean? So take advantage of these situations while they're here today, man. For sure. Mm-hmm. But in other news, Jay, I got this one. You might like this one. Coinbase can blacklist your staked Ethereum as smart contract shows. Yet again, Coinbase is in the damn news because if you got your money over there, look, I'm not saying it's a bad place because I got some money over there too. I'm not tripping. But if you stake in Ethereum over there, buyer beware, because it says the smart contract for Coinbase wrapped stake Ethereum has blacklist function, triggering criticism from some in the crypto community. The crypto Coinbase wrapped stake Ethereum has a blacklist function and is seen in the smart contract. This allows Coinbase to selectively blacklist addresses if they deem it necessary. The exchange blacklists addresses if they believe the wallet violates its user agreement and can freeze customer funds if they feel there has been a violation or if the law requires it. Coinbase is not the only crypto company to blacklist addresses. USD coin issuer Circle has also frozen funds linked to mixing service Tornado Cash. The company froze 75,000 in USDC held by users associated with the Ethereum mixing platform. The move will irk some cryptocurrency holders who believe that censorship sets a bad precedent. Coinbase, meanwhile, has been keen on working within the law and complying with whatever regulators order. Now, here are my thoughts. I think that the blacklist function is a superb function for business, as long as it's not abused. I think that if crypto traders and investors have been known to be scammy, have been known to do shady ass stuff, and they violate the law, I think that exchanges need to have the power to blacklist those particular wallets. I know that it's kind of shady in a sense of freedom of movement, freedom of, basically having, it violates the very foundation that DeFi is built on, right? However, there has to be some type of control so individuals don't get hurt. So, Justin, what say you, brother?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with you. It's just kind of weird because it's the Coinbase wrapped Ethereum. So it's like, are y'all not tracking? I mean, I guess they are tracking what people are doing with it clearly, but yeah. So I mean, I don't know how this works. Like, are they gonna track to see like if you use your wrapped ETH for like purchases or something? Like,
no, I think it's kind of narrowed down to using it for what if you're in trouble with the law and they want to freeze your account, right?
Oh, well, yeah.
Like that, right?
Okay,
like,
I mean that's no different than what they do now. So,
they gotta have that function written in the smart contract. It's just funny that this is the time that we get the news, right? Right before the Ethereum merger, right?
But I could see it though. I mean, it makes sense. Like when you put it that way, like okay, if Kwon is on the run and he got a whole bunch of stake Coinbase ETH, then I guess we could freeze his assets so that he can't go on the run no more. So I get it. That was just an example, by the way, guys. I was trying to make a little joke. It wasn't that funny, but yeah. but yeah, no, I can see it. I can see it. But yeah, I can see where people would be mad too. But I mean, do we really look at Coinbase as being decentralized though? I mean, they're all over the news.
Well, they have a decentralized wallet, so.
I mean, yeah, but at the same time, I mean, that centralization is trying to clamp down on Coinbase and every other exchange. For sure. It's almost like a win-lose. Like, yeah, it sucks, but at the same time, like, you don't want all your money to disappear because now Coinbase is out of business because of the SEC. Facts. So you got to look at it like that too.
Facts. All right. So that being said, let's move on because we talked about this yesterday. It's funny how fast they move when they really want to get into crypto, isn't it? Yeah. It's funny how you can go from Terrarium taking 3 to 6 months to create a cryptocurrency exchange, which, that's probably normal. I'm not knocking Terrarium. I'm just giving a comparison.
Wait. I know where you're going with this, but I think that's a little unfair.
Listen, I'm not knocking Terrarium. What I'm saying is that we just got this story 3 days ago, Monday, right? That Fidelity potentially is teaming up with these companies to potentially do a cryptocurrency exchange. And now we get the update, and Wall Street-backed crypto exchange EDS Markets is set for a November debut.
Oh, this is a different exchange.
No, this is
that the same one?
Remember the story we've been covering for the last 2 days?
Yeah, I remember the story yesterday. This is the same one.
They're debuting in November. This is EDX.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But my thing is like, how long has this actually been in work for though?
I have no idea. All I know is this is the first time we heard about them potentially doing it is Monday. And now we are on Wednesday. And they're like, and we'll be out in November. It's like, whoa.
You know what though? not to cut off your whole story, but
you good.
Wouldn't it be smart? And I'm just throwing this out there, and maybe I'm throwing a little line out there, but wouldn't it be smart if you come out and you say, "Oh, hey, we're thinking about doing this," and then they're like, "Oh, hey, by the way, we've already done it. Here you go. It's right on your lap."
No. I think it's smart. I just think it's crazy. Like, I think it's crazy how fast this happens. Hey, Cool and Crispy right on time, bro. He said, imagine if they launched with tokens, RIP Terrarium, if that's the case. Hold up, man. We got a celebrity sighting in the building. Shout out to my man, Ryan Patrick. If that's truly you, good brother, send me a DM on Twitter, man. I haven't seen you in a month of Sundays, man. I know you've been handling some business. I know the last time we talked, you were dealing with, your personal life and trying to get things going with the family and all. I hope everything is going well, good sir. And good to see you, man. Salute. So let's get into this story, though. So it says U.S. trading titans and brokerage firms are building a crypto exchange that brings investing in digital assets further into the domain of traditional finance. Sounds like a line that we heard in DeFi before. But anyway, by mimicking the structure of how other assets classes trade, EDS markets will start trading a limited number of spot crypto tokens starting with the November trial period, with the official launch in January. So again, they're testing it, so it'll be available officially in January. Chief Executive Officer Jamil Nazari, however you say his name, said in an interview, it is backed by Charles Schwab, Fidelity Digital Assets, Paradigm, Sequoia Capital, Citadel, which we hate, and Virtue Financial. Similar to trading equities and options, EDX will allow investors to buy and sell digital assets through their existing broker-dealer, rather than an outside venue or directly through crypto native exchange. We're taking some of the best features of traditional finance and bringing it to the digital markets to make it more efficient and bring that cost saving to investors. Nazari, formerly global head of business development at Citadel Securities, is amongst industry veterans now at EDX. David Foreman, former chief legal officer of Fidelity Brokerage Services, is EDX general counsel, and the exchange's chief technology officer, Tony, whatever this guy's name is, and Eris, now a part of CBO Global Markets. The technology is being built by MEMX, the exchange venue founded by some of the biggest players in U.S. stocks. EDX systems will be based at data center in Secaucus, New Jersey, using software that ensures trades are processed in the order they are sent, says Nazari. This type of order processing and management is different from how majority of crypto exchanges operate, he says. So what this tells me is they're about to go from a liquidity pool to potentially using order books, which some exchanges already do. But again, like I said yesterday, I don't care how much you hate Citadel. I don't care how much you hate any of these industries. This is bullish information because what it means is somebody knows something. They either know about regulation that's coming, they know what's going to be approved, they know for a fact something is coming. But here's what the consensus we can take from this. Crypto ain't going nowhere. Crypto is here to stay, because these mofos would not be putting their hard-earned money or hard-earned money from other people to start a whole nother cryptocurrency exchange if they thought crypto was just going to disappear overnight. So to me, because I'm a believer in crypto in general, I don't give a shit which token you support, but I'm a believer in crypto. Being a believer in crypto, this is bullish information for crypto. So what say you, good sir?
It's just interesting. I was just reading down below, and it said how a lot of investors want to invest in crypto, but they're worried about potential hacks, and they want a place where they can go where they feel safe. And so, if you put the biggest stock players in the game in crypto, they already have the rapport and they already have the trust to make the big investors feel safe. And so that's really what they're offering. I feel like they're not offering anything different from crypto.com or Binance or anything like that, but a name. The name of Fidelity, the name of Citadel, the name of Charles Schwab. Those names ring bells in the stock world, and those stock traders, they're not going away from those platforms. And when they hear, oh, they're in crypto's now safe, what happens to crypto? That's the question I have for everybody. What happens to crypto?
Yep. So the answer is boom, motherfucker. That's the answer. But anyway, listen, guys, just a little maintenance for the channel. We currently have 73 people watching us right now, and I appreciate every single one of you, whether you've spoken in the chat or you have not. But please do me a favor. Tip the motherfucking barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. We have 58 likes and 74 people watching. Let's get that number up to at least 70, and let's continue. So like I said, we had a ton of information to cover on the day, because I felt like there was a lot of information that came out today that people are paying attention to Terra Luna Classic and paying attention to this token and that token, but you need to be paying attention to the actual news and information, because there's actually some bullish things going on, and that's what we try to focus on in the crypto shop. We try to give you all of the information, or at least as much as we possibly can. That being said, let's get into this. You can now bring your NFTs into Grand Theft Auto via Minecraft servers. That's right. Grand Theft Auto
work.
Huh?
Because it sounds like a lot of work.
Right? But Grand Theft Auto is, if you guys don't know, if you're not a gamer, it's one of the #1 selling games in the country of all time, right? The fact that they are even considering bringing in crypto, I can't even understate how huge this is for crypto and the NFT space, right? So with the ongoing development, let me bring this up a little bit because I know you guys struggle to see it sometimes. With the ongoing development of video games and metaverse games in general, both My Metaverse and Engine, shout out to Engine, shout out to my man Daniel, who always tells me to buy E&J, right? Have announced that they have introduced playable non-fungible tokens on the game servers for Grand Theft Auto 5 and Minecraft. It's not Via, it's 5. The first NFT collection to be minted on Infinity, which is an NFT parachain built on, sorry about the dogs, guys, built on Polkadot, which Zach Humphreys told me to buy multiple times, is the My Metaverse Meta Home NFT collection, according to a report on September 14th. Now, these are the information that I wish I could do videos on, but nobody pays attention to these videos. Nobody's looking for it. But when you come to the shop, we're gonna give you all of this information. So as per My Metaverse, these initial in-game NFTs may be used across the board in My Metaverse's whole suite of games, including the Minecraft and GTA 5 servers that players host for one another. Furthermore, My Metaverse said that after the launch is complete, the NFTs would each serve as a unique purpose in 3 separate games. The NFTs have been minted on Infinity and can be incorporated into My Metaverse Grand Theft Auto and Minecraft gaming servers. In Infinity Auto, a My Metaverse Grand Theft Auto 5 server, they take the form of a rare vehicle. In Survivable Infinity, a My Metaverse Minecraft server, I hate to keep saying that, they become a special sword. In answer to your question, they are not official integrations with Rockstar or Minecraft, the video game development firm said. So, Justin, again, I ask you, what are your thoughts on this, good sir?
I mean, I guess they're getting ahead of Grand Theft Auto, which is kind of funny because the whole rumor is that Grand Theft Auto is going to have crypto in the game, and you're actually going to be able to I believe not only trade it, but also like get rewards from it and a whole bunch of other things. And yeah, John Roddy, that was my thoughts. I was wondering if Daniel was going to be bullish on NFTs now that
he's bullish on Engine.
But he's bullish on real world NFTs, so I mean, if you can give him real world utility, then he's good with it. But I mean, I think it's actually really cool that they're doing these NFTs, because just that picture of Grand Theft Auto, and if you ever play Grand Theft Auto, the loading screens and even the box, like they always have this really cool and unique artwork to Grand Theft Auto. So I mean, I've always been a fan of their artwork, and if they can bring NFTs into that, even into the new game, into 6, I think that'd be dope. And I mean, you got to think about how many people that would touch, because like you said, that this is Grand Theft Auto is the biggest game pretty much in the world. Like if you say Grand Theft Auto, everybody knows what Grand Theft Auto
is. Knows what it is.
Everybody. So
either
if you come in here,
or you know about it.
Exactly. Or and even with the negative, I mean, even the moms who hate Grand Theft Auto know what Grand Theft Auto is because they don't want their kids playing it. Like everybody knows about it. So to bring NFTs and crypto, that just brings a whole legion of new people into crypto.
Agreed 100%. And it's all about expansion, right? It's all about expansion in all ways. And I feel like this is yet another introduction of expansion. The fact that crypto is touching and being heard about in levels such as Grand Theft Auto. Now, say what you want about Grand Theft Auto, whether you like your kids to play it or you don't like your kids to play it. This game, introducing the concept, just the concept of NFTs into a game that is this popular, breaks into a whole nother realm of crypto. Then you add in our previous story about EDX bringing in the stock world and making quote unquote crypto safer, because I guarantee you they ain't doing nothing more than Coinbase is already doing, right? What happens when we get to clear cryptos, which is my next subject, right?
Before we move on to clear cryptos, though,
yeah, go for it, bro.
One thing I didn't touch on was the Minecraft part of this story. Minecraft and kids go hand in hand together. Yep. Now, I'm not saying that kids should be into crypto, because I mean, you're talking about investing and being young, but it's the exposure part of it. Them being exposed to crypto so young, it makes the transition easier when they get older and they're able to actually invest, or whether or not we go to a crypto society, they're already baked into it now instead of later. So
it's like when you start to use something, you look for that something, right? So it's like if I'm a kid and let's say I'm like this genius kid, but I also play Grand Theft Auto and or Minecraft, right? And I'm using NFTs in Grand Theft Auto and Minecraft, and I grow up to be this huge politician, you know what I'm gonna be looking to do? I'm gonna be looking to use NFTs into everyday life, because it's like, it's easy. I know how easy it is, right? So yeah. But so to me, this brings us to, it's a great transition into Clear Cryptos. So guys, if you haven't heard about Clear Cryptos by now, where the heck have you been? Subscribe to the channel, like the damn stream. But Clear Cryptos is the next thing coming in crypto. It's similar to what we just read about in regards to EDX, bringing crypto, a clear version of crypto, without all the scam, without all the crazy shit talking people and doing, crazy things, right? Crypto needs to be clear. Crypto needs to have clarity. That's what Clear Cryptos aims to do. By doing so, they have things such as their new swap. They have things such as their analytics tools, their V1 version that will be coming out and dropping very, very soon with the launch of Clear Cryptos. Imagine somebody that's never heard of crypto, but then they run across Clear Cryptos, and yes, they have a token, but they run across the utilities of Clear Cryptos, and they've learned how to use crypto in an easy manner. See, Clear Cryptos has a whole plethora of ways to make crypto very, very easy for the average person. I've seen it, I know it exists, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Now, if you're tuning in for the first time and you haven't heard of Clear Cryptos, go ahead and head over to the Twitter page, click on the link tree, and guys, we currently have a Discord challenge. That challenge will bring you up to $50,000 in Discord money. And I say cash value because for every 50 people you get into Discord, you will be rewarded $500. And it doesn't stop there. The more people that use your particular link, you will be able to receive more and more bonuses. And yes, Justin, I see your little link down below.
I did not do a good job of being you. Damn.
Yeah. That being said, head over to the Discord. That's where you're going to get the launch information. And that's where you will be able to go into the announcement section, figure out exactly how to create your own link, get 50 people to get into the Discord. And this will be going on until Clear Cryptos reaches 5,000 Discord members. They're currently approaching the 1,000 mark in the Discord. So you got plenty of time to get you some free money. So I'm all about making you money, making y'all money. So make sure you get over there and do that. And one more thing before you go, Jay.
Yeah.
Make sure you click over here to the YouTube channel with myself and many other YouTubers. What I say? Did I say Discord channel?
No. John Riley said create 50 Discord accounts.
Hey, long as you come into the Discord, it don't matter, right? But get over to the YouTube channel. Check out some of this information. It's completely free information. We got the likes of Miss Tammy over here dropping. Look at this beautiful content. One of these days, I'm gonna be able to make content like this I told her on her channel, I was like, look, I just need you to come to my house and completely redo all of my stuff, and I'll pay for everything, but I just need you to do it exactly how you got your setup, right? But making great content, myself, Justin, Zach, Austin, the other Zach, Sean, Nick, Crypto Nick, Luxside, Crypto, Oscar, and Tammy, and of course, my man Adam Shelton over here dropping free educational content on the YouTube channel. Go ahead, get over there, subscribe to the channel, like the videos over there, and then make sure you are paying attention because we usually go live every day on that channel. So yeah, go check us out. And Justin, your spiel on Click Cryptos if I didn't take it up.
Yeah, so first off, Ryan, I did steal your mic. I came over, I took it, and you're not getting it back. I'm sorry.
100%. And you've been going too long, so now it's Justin's mic.
Yeah, right. So I just want to clarify, I'm pretty sure that this contest about getting 50 people into the Discord is completely separate from the 50K in contest. So it's not the same. So this is on top of the 50K as I'm reading it right now.
Oh,
so,
on top of the prizes?
Yes. So there's 50K in contest once 5K Discord members are in the Discord, but the $500 for 50 referrals is completely different.
Let's get
so
it.
It's two different ones. It says the top 10 Discord users that have the most tracked referrals in our Discord, and you must use the personalized referral link and achieve a minimum of 50 referrals, receive $500 from Clear Cryptos. So it's only going to be 10 people.
Gotcha.
Top 10 get the money, but you have to have at least 50 minimum to even I guess apply, for lack of better terms. But what they do say is that if you overachieve, then there's actually, you could win extra money. So it's not just 50 and then you're done, or if you get 1,000 people, then they'll give you something extra potentially. So there's that. So just to clarify, but I'm really bullish on Clear Cryptos. I mean, we finally were able to talk about the swap. We were finally able to talk about the analytics. They're both beautiful works of art that make trading very, very, very simple, or it's got something if you are an expert. So it caters to every single level. I'm super excited. I can't wait for us to be able to share all that information and for you guys to actually look at it with your own two eyes and see how it all works, and hopefully be just as blown away as we are, because I know you will be. I don't have to hope, because I know. So
yeah, no doubt. Well said, good sir. Now, WAGMI NFTs, enough said, says Ryan Patrick. I agree 100%. WAGMI's going down the right path with their WAGMI NFTs, going integrated into the game and then giving back that money, or 10% of their income, or 10% of their the game revenue back to the holders. NFTs are the way to go, in my opinion. Timsky, I second that. I've been looking at Polkadot and Gala, looking for a good price to get in on these two. Yeah, I think they're at a good price now, honestly. Polka City is like GTA. They have NFTs, just not brand recognition as GTA. I agree. And then, of course, Justin. That definitely Justin's link. Right, yeah, right.
I got it.
He says Minecraft 1.5x GTA 5 sales. My 5 kids are huge into it. And crypto NFTs possibilities. Hey, Dad, green or red today, every day, right? Let's go. Let's go, Timsky. Create 50 Discord channels. Brian Patrick says, does Justin have my mic? It's missing, right? Is that 500 guaranteed, or for possibility for the 5? Top 10 for, I misspoke. I apologize, guys. Thanks, Foxy, for letting Justin know he was correct. He didn't need to know that. Did someone say free? Yeah, true.
Don't be a hater, Hobbs.
I am not hating. I do not hate.
Big Fiji is in the house.
I literally was just about to say, as I was literally pulling up BTFA, here comes Big Fiji dropping bombs saying, thank you for the $49.99 donation. He says, BTFA just dropped something. Let me go ahead and refresh my screen and see what BTFA has been up to, because speaking of NFT,
that was the picture.
I think we got the reveal official. Let's go. Berg already on it. He like, BTFA just tweeted NFT officially. This damn. All right.
The black eye.
First of all, let me just say I haven't seen this yet, right?
Liar.
But this is what the F I'm talking about. Big Fiji just let us know. Huge NFT drop coming soon. And this is just a little bit of a taste of what Fabrice Sapolsky has been up to. Shout out to my BTFA fam in the building. Drop the apes and bananas in the chat. Y'all already know what to do. We got the bubble gum with the jacket. Y'all remember seeing this with the white tee, all black. As you can see, the detail in this particular NFT is absolutely incredible. It is magnifique. And I wouldn't expect any less from a prior Marvel artist listed, by the way, on Marvel.com. You can Google him and you can see Marvel.com has him listed as an official artist of Spider-Man Noir. Therefore, we have officially hired him to produce our new NFT collection. And as you can see, the detail in this NFT is absolutely on point. My man is looking fire with this jacket, and I think I need him. So whatever I need to do to go ahead and drop my brand, just go ahead and send him my way right now. You know what I'm saying? If Sway is out there listening, Sway, go ahead and drop this one in my wallet. I need him right away. I'm gonna go ahead and make him my profile picture. But shout out to BTFA gang, guys. If you guys haven't been made aware as of yet, get yourselves over to the Telegram, which is now used as an official announcement page. Let me drop this over here. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna pull up the Telegram over here. Sway dropped in the Telegram over here. Hang on. There we go. If you need to know whether or not you're whitelisted for your NFTs, go ahead and head over to the Telegram. It's used in an official announcement page, and I do believe they have this in the Discord as well. But you can download this. You can type in the search bar the last four of your wallet, and you should be able to find your wallet. In order to be whitelisted, you have to be a previous owner of the OG collection. That way, you know when the mint starts, you can go ahead and mint 2 free NFTs in your wallet. Very, very bullish on BTFA. Always have been. You guys, if you've been rocking with the channel, you know it was one of my first sponsorship deals along with WagMe and now Clear Cryptos. But this particular BTFA mint is going to be like no other, for the simple fact that there's not many projects out there that can say that they have a Marvel artist creating their NFT who is willing to dox, willing to come and talk, do AMAs, all of that jazz, right? But these are just fire. I mean, I just pulled it up. The chat went crazy. They love it. I love it. It's dope, man. And this is what it's all about. So let me go ahead and retweet this and let them know BTFA is not to be forgotten. We are on the way.
Did you pause? Are you still there?
No, I'm still here. I'm typing. You can't see me typing?
Hobbs?
Shut up, Justin.
Oh, man.
But yeah, so much coming down the pipe for BTFA. The new website will be launched very, very soon. The Banana Chips token will be launched soon. The merger token, we already have the dates. On the 25th, the staking vaults will be opened up. You will be able to remove your tokens. On the 26th, you will be able to start migrating your tokens via Everrise, which is always very, very bullish, guys. And then when that NFT launch drops, oh my God, September 29th through the 30th, the free mint will happen. On October 1st, the official mint will happen. Prices TBD. And man, I guarantee you guys, you're going to want to put your hands on some of these NFTs, because if they look like this, it's game on. And this is the official NFT. This ain't like the honoraries. These are the NFTs, right? So you already know what you're getting. You know what it's kind of going to be looking like. So let's get to it. Y'all already know. Sell out on the way as per usual. So shout out to the BTFA gang. Always dropping it. So at least someone can interpret around here. Shut up, Foxy. Oh, shit. Took a screenshot just in case they want to play around and delete it. Or know how we roll. We do be deleting stuff. We do be doing that. Probably nothing. Let's fucking go, BTFA. All right, John. Yeah, that is sick, Foxy. I'm glad you like it. And don't forget, Foxy, for all of you freaking previous Bandex BSC holders, you guys will be getting a drop of banana chips when the new not banana chips, a drop of the swing DAO token. You guys will be getting a special drop of tokens, kind of like a here you go, so we got those wallets as well for those of you that didn't sell, or if you sold before, you won't get anything. If you had less than, I think, $50 or something like that, you won't get anything, but everybody else will get a nice little drop in their wallets of the swing DAO token. So shout out to BTFA, man, always doing things for the community. Justin, your thoughts on these NFTs and BTFA, good sir?
I'm glad that we finally got to see what this jacket was all about, because I did not realize it was a leather jacket. But shout out to y'all, because y'all knew.
Y'all called it. They called it.
Yeah, y'all definitely knew. You know what I really like though? I really like the ruffles in the hat, like that little detail.
It's just the detail, bro. Like the eyeliner type, and then the fact that the eye isn't completely closed, like it's just blacked out.
Yeah, the black eye,
the nose, it's
he got into a fight and he just don't care. Like
he got the ring, he got the MJ hoop.
Yeah, he do. Yeah,
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, man.
No, you're good. It's a great looking NFT. What the collar? Yeah, you over here really dissecting.
Bro, I'm just saying, like, the detail is dope. Like,
it definitely is. It definitely is. You know, one thing that I do wish to see though, I don't know if this is possible, but like, have you guys thought of doing like action NFTs, like action shots? Because he is a Marvel artist. So I don't know. There's something to think about.
We're just gonna go ahead and move on. All right, that NFT looks like you after our matchup in fantasy this week. Apparently, Pop is gonna give me a black eye. My team is gonna own you like Rodgers owned your Bears. How convenient. He plays the Bears this weekend. You know what'll be great, Pop, which is gonna make you not even want to come to the shop on Monday? When my Bears go out and smash on Rodgers' head, Justin Fields throws about 3 or 4 touchdowns, and we beat him by 2 touchdowns, and then my fantasy team just comes out and spanks you. That's what I can't wait for on Monday. So let's get it, man.
Nope.
Pop, that black leather sleeping. Bomber is crazy, says John Roddy. Bird, I like the music. What do you think about it, Justin? That's right. Justin can't hear the music. All right. Hobbs should have had the red shirt on before dropping that NFT. Bro, I didn't know it was coming. Y'all crazy. I'm glad they listened to those of us who got yeeted on the pandemic. See, Foxy, I told you I always listen, man. I've been beating this drum. Trust me, I've been beating this drum. Look at the wavy fur. Yeah, man, it's fire, bro. I like everything about this. Fabrice outdid himself with this particular image, and I cannot wait to see some of the other ones. Maybe I'll share a little bit with Justin after the show. Who knows? Who knows?
He lying to y'all. He ain't sharing nothing.
Do bandit stakers get the swing token airdrop as well? Yes. So the way it's gonna work, Robbie, is Bandex tokens and BTFA tokens will be merged. So what's going to happen during the merger on the 26th, on the 25th, stake Bandex and stake BTFA will be unlocked. There will be no more awards given, none of that stuff, right? On the 26th, you'll be able to merge either your BTFA and or your Bandex into a migration wallet. So on the 26th, Everrise will be in the chat in the Discord. You need to join the Discord, and they will be in our Discord directing everybody on how and what to do in regards to the migration. What I remember from Bolt is you went to the migration site, you connected your wallet, you paid the gas fee, and they migrated all your tokens, and they gave you back the Swing DAO or the new V2 token, right? And you'll get back the V2 token. So please throw them all to Komet. Nah, bro. Nah. Komet gonna get hurt, and we still gonna be straight. Cuffin' the Dip says, just got back. Who is the gentle on the stream? Oh, the gentleman on the stream. Oh, this, good sir, is the new BTFA NFT collection from our Marvel artist, Fabrice Sapolsky. Foreign got a little swag. Oh, you like them? When I first started boxing, that was me. LOL, love to keep my hands up. Let's go. Dang. Hey, we got the approval of my man, Mr. NFT himself, Cuffin' the Dip. I know we on to something. So if we got his eye, then I know we own to something. But yeah, this one is absolute fire, man. I absolutely love it. Cannot wait for this NFT to drop so you guys can see the entire collection, because I'm gonna be minting live on the channel. You guys already know how we do. We're gonna be live minting, doing everything live. We'll do the migration live. I'll show you guys everything. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. So yeah, so shout out to BTFA, man. Always a fan of BTFA. Cannot wait to see more and more from what NFT is that. This is the new BTFA NFT collection. This is one of the NFTs that just got dropped from BTFA. You guys follow me on Twitter. I just retweeted it, and it'll stay up there as a pinned tweet for a little while. When is NFTs? The NFTs will be the end of the month. So the mint will be, the free mint will be the 29th through the 30th, right? And again, the big winner of this is the fact that we have a Marvel artist. Like I said, you can go look on marvel.com. You can look at their artistry, and you can go look in there and you can find Fabrice Sapolsky, and it'll tell you that he was the previous owner or the previous artist of Spider-Man Noir. How many NFT collections can say that they have that? It ain't many out there. If you go look at Shiba Inu right now, the fact that they just hired a previous Netflix / Disney artist to start working on their metaverse, it lets you know that people want credibility. BTFA being a small cap token and still producing the credibility in their NFTs by hiring Fabrice Sapolsky, a previous Marvel artist, to create their NFT collection is bullish as F. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's bullish. So I'm with it, man. I'm rocking with it. Y'all rocking with it. Mint is the 29th to the 30th for the free mint. And then September or October 1st, we go live and it's game time. So there you go. Shay Hobbs. Oh, I said Shay Hobbs like it ain't my wife. Wifey is in the building. She says, we're getting Jay a golf cart for his first car since he keep asking for one. Oh, okay, baby. She telling me that my son I've been teaching my son how to drive, but he keep asking for a golf cart. So we like, well, I was going to give you my car when you got your license. You know what I'm saying? You be 16 rocking a 2014 Nissan Maxima. It's a little old, but the shit fully loaded. It's nice. But if you want a golf cart, son, so be it. Golf cart it is, you know.
Ain't he like 12?
He 12, but yeah, we go driving around the neighborhood. I started driving when I was 12.
Dang.
12, 13. Yeah, we go driving. There's a little neighborhood there's plenty of neighborhoods out here. So we drove in the rain the other day. He did really good too.
Dang, you started out young as hell.
He do left turns, right turns. He does 3-point turns. He's good, man. He's good. You got to start him off early. Nope. What leather jacket? That is fire. Damn, let's go BTFA. Let's go BD. I'm glad you like it, man. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, it's absolute fire, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's just fire. So, Justin, I've been talking a lot, bro. I've been talking a lot. Tell me you got a QOD, bro. Tell me you got a QOD by now.
Oh, no, I actually do not. Where is
Look, here go my son. Cryptoshop Jr. says, I don't want a golf cart for my first car.
Really? Cryptoshop Jr.? That's where we going? That's
my son, y'all. Like,
oh my God.
Everybody in the chat, do me a favor. It's 55 people in here right now. Everybody say, what's up, Jeremiah, or what's up, Lil J, or what's up, Cryptoshop Jr.
Please say Cryptoshop Jr., guys.
Please say Cryptoshop Jr. And y'all let me know in the chat. Matter of fact, we'll put a poll up in the chat. We'll put another poll up. We'll say, I got to take this one down. By the way, the chat is, let me see, 54% bullish, Justin, so I win. 26% bearish and 20% cash position. So let's get it. So we'll put another poll up. We'll say for Cryptoshop Jr. Golf cart or Nissan.
What about or two legs?
Or golf cart. Yeah, that's right. Golf cart, Nissan, or two legs.
Because you know, we got a lot of old people in here, and they'd be like, back in my day, I used to walk 20 miles to the store to pick up the groceries just to have to walk 20 miles back with the shopping cart. Yeah, I know y'all old, talking about pagers and beepers and
whatever,
whatnot.
Man, All right, new poll in the chat. Shout out to all my bulls running my chat. Let's get it. Ask the community, son. This one goes out to you. This is specifically for my child. So y'all let me know. Should I get him a golf cart? Should I get him a Nissan? Or should I make him walk on his 2 legs when he turns 16? He'll be 16 in 4 years and counting. I told him I would get him a Nissan. My wife wants to get him a golf cart. So I was driving
at 12. You can get him a golf cart now.
I know. But yeah, I don't think he can drive it around.
Yeah,
started driving at 4 in my dad's yard in a 98 van. Oh, you country. I started my daughter with driving 4? At 11. Yeah, that's too young. Cryptoshop Junior, what's up, man? Let's go, Foxy. Appreciate y'all. Cryptoshop Junior says permanent stunt. Hey, Cryptoshop Junior, what's up, JR? Junior Barber, let's go, Justin. I appreciate it. Cryptoshop Junior in the building. Let's go, Skills 305s. What up, Cryptoshop Junior, says Bird. Ooh. Tipsy says my first car was a 90 Pontiac Firefly. Check it out. Only 3 cylinders, powerhouse. Oh my God. Did we gotta look this thing up? Let's see. What year? 1990 Pontiac.
John. Hey, don't be coming at me, John.
Ew, you had that bull. Yeah, I remember that car. For sure. That is the I probably won't take your daughter out on a great date. Start.
Hey, wait, go back to that car.
You want to go back to it? Yeah, you go get him. Go ahead,
hey, that car looked like when you take a girl on a date to Lookout Point, but you can't finish.
That's the I put my driver's side seat in the back because I ain't got no seats in the back car. Carter kid. That's the hubcaps fall off every time I turn left. Mobile. Well, I'm about to flame this daggone Pontiac Firefly. Why you make me pull this up, Timsky?
that car must have only been made in red. All them other colors don't exist.
We only made one color having it. Yeah. Timsky, don't ever make me pull up this car again. Ever. He keeps asking, so that's what he's going to get. Let's go, baby. It was my first car was a Mercury Topaz. I remember that one too. A Mercury Topaz was very, very similar to my first car because a Mercury Topaz was the equivalent of the Ford Tempo.
Here we go. Y'all going back down memory lane once again.
Yep, this is just like the Ford Tempo. I used to have this exact same car, except I had a white one and it was a Ford Tempo.
God, that thing looked like a cop car from the 90s.
Bro, it was bad, bro. It was bad. This was mine. I had this one. I had this one. And look, Foxy, tell me if you remember when you got in the car, the seatbelt used to choke the shit out you because it was automatic. You step in the car, you sit down, and it'd be like, zzz, and it always got stuck. I hated that car.
Your cars were modeled after the roller skates that people would wear on the roller rink. You know, the 4-blade ones.
Yeah.
Jesus.
74 Malicardo. That's a good car with the swivel seats. Yeah, I remember that one. What's up, Junior? Says BD. RIP. He said, "Oh, I know, right? Golf car now. Dad will cave and buy a car in 4 years." Yeah, I will, Bert. You know I will. When I was 17, I had to walk an hour and 45 minutes.
I told you. I was waiting for that one, Foxy. I didn't know it was going to be you, but I knew somebody was going to be the one.
Justin says he can walk Bill's character.
Yep. I knew y'all was going to be the ones.
Jonathan Post says, "How you grow that mustache, Justin?" LOL, calling us old. Crypto Shop Junior says, "Justin gets me."
I do.
What's up, Crypto Shop Junior says, "Luke." Boy says, "Pagers and beepers, LOL. We dialed 0 and talked to an operator." It facts, bro. When did that stop? We didn't have cars in Canada until 2001.
Stop playing. Well, y'all had horses only.
Over Philly, my guy, but yeah, definitely was some country shit. Yeah, for real. That's the I pay and change on my.
Oh my god!
For real, I paid for my meal. I hope you brought some money, starter kit. My first was a 72 O's Cutlass, bro. That's fire. I was just telling the wifey that I wanted a 92 Cutlass, but a 72 Cutlass Supreme is pretty nice too. This right here. Yeah, this is fire, but that's more the sports model. I want the I think it's the 91 Cutlass.
Are you gonna put spinners on it too?
I just want this boy. This one, I want the drop top 91 Cutlass. This was my favorite car growing up right here, man. I love this car. Yeah, this one and 85 Buick Regal, I think is the year I want. This is what I really want right here. This say Chicago all day. If Cuff is still in the chat, let me know, Cuff. Let me know. Is that Mr. Bean's car? Chad said that's my first car. I had the baby blue one, bro. Tell me, did it come baby blue or did you paint it baby blue? Because we feel like it only came in red. What was your first car, J Seal?
Shoot, what was my first car? It was a God, I can't even remember. Justin
parents had money growing up.
No, it was busted. Ooh. It was busted. It was a I don't remember the year, but it was a Chevy Malibu. But I don't remember the year. But it was an older Chevy Malibu.
Probably like a 92.
Not that old.
Well, no, maybe like a 98.
Yeah, like 98 or like.
I had a 98 Chevy Malibu too.
Early 2000s.
Yeah. So, hey, Demarius, this is the year, the 87 Buick. This one is gonna. This is gonna be. Yeah, this will be on my list too, for sure. Bro, I like them old school cars.
I didn't get my first car until I was like 20.
Look, Fox, you know what I'm talking about that Ford Tempo. She said, "Oh my God, I choked all the time. I'm short as fuck. Also, I have the pic on my fridge. The first time I watched it, for real, that walking story is true. We believe you, Foxy. He's getting a golf cart, says my wife. Then there will be no action in the car."
Well,
why you trying to stop my man growth already? Damn.
I guess that's true.
Son, it ain't looking too good for you. 34% of the chat so far says golf cart, and the other 34% says 2 legs. Only 31% says Nissan. They are not rooting for you to get a damn. They are not rooting for you to get a damn car at all. It's always back in my day with them, Justin. Yeah, we old, man.
They got to remember when the times was good for them because it's no longer good.
Gotta buy a Ford Tempo because Russ ran off with the money. My first one was a 06 Nissan Frontier. Oh man, we ain't messing with you. You was rich. Mine was a 1988 Ford Taurus. Yep, I had one of those. My parents had one. Well, now we had what y'all know about the Chevy Corsica. This was our family car right here. This is what we grew up driving in Chicago.
Oh Chevy, God, how many kids this thing fit?
It's a 5-seater. Shut up, Justin. We on that, bro. This right here. This was our first car right here. If my brother watching, he know exactly what I'm talking about. Matter of fact, this was our car right here. We had it in red, just like that. Damn Chevy Corsica. We used to all pile in that thing. You say my first was gutless. That you been on up Cutlass. My first car was a 1987 Cutlass 442 black and gold. Yeah, bro, them things go. My first car was a 2003 Nissan Maxima gunmetal gray with the NO. Yeah, okay, all right. We talking about broke people now, okay? Poor white before Impala, that's dope. My first car was a Lamborghini Venina. It was about 10 centimeters long and in the bottom. I love it, go with the deep tops.
Oh, that's good.
Justin's like 30 or 32.
Yeah, I'm 30.
Yeah, he's 30. Had the baby blue Tempo and I wiped it until I died. Bro, I'm telling you, I love my all white Tempo. That thing was a rider. But y'all not hip to this right here.
Oh,
this was my second car.
This is what we've evolved to.
Hey, look.
A Stanza?
This is my second car right here. This was a piece of shit.
God, that thing is ugly.
It was so ugly. Look, I had the nerve to take out the interior. Look, let me show you the interior, right? Let me see if they got the interior. But the radio was so long, I had the nerve to take out the radio. Look at this thing. Look how big this damn interior is.
That thing is ugly.
Bro, it was horrible. I had the nerve to take out the radio, right? And put a Sony Explode in there and put some speakers in there. And it had no power steering, right? No power steering. So when the power steering had a leak. So every time I would pick up my girlfriend to go on a date, I would fill the power steering up right before I got down the street from her house, just so I could whip it real fast. But then when we went to go eat and came back, the power steering was gone. So like, I would just fake like I wasn't struggling when I was turning the car. I was like this. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man, it was crazy days. I was poor, no family car, right? I got hit by a semi truck and got that car from my car accident. I was 21. I got that car. Oh, damn, man. Sorry about that. What did you learn to drive in? 11 years old, 94 Aero Starter. Check it out. See, this is why I can't get nowhere to check. Because every time I do this, somebody want me to check out another car. I don't even know what that is.
I don't know what that is either.
Aero. Oh, that's a van. Is that the van? The blue van?
Oh my God! No.
Yep, I knew it.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I remember that.
That's the Mr. I'm a serial killer man. That's the Mr. I'm a kidnap your wife.
This is the homie don't play that. Homie don't play that.
Homie don't play that man.
He got a clown in the back seat waiting to pick you up, man. Like, no, this is not it. Mr. I sell vinyl records out the trunk. I'm Thanksgiving working since I was 8. Let's go, Samuel. Looks like those old box Toyota Corollas. Power steering is love, bro. I'm telling you. People don't know how much of a luxury power steering really was. I leveled up my second car when I bought a 2001 Jetta. Yeah, I leveled up like a little later. I bought a Nissan Altima, and then I bought a Chevy Malibu, and then I had a what did I have? No, I used to drive my sister's Ford Tempo, but it was like it wasn't a Ford Tempo, it was a Ford something. It was like a 2-door sports car. I used to drive my sister's car a lot. So, all right, man, let's get into the question of the day. That's the hide your wife and hide your kids, man, for real. Yeah. Stranger danger, man. I'll check your Twitter DM. Okay, give me a second. Foxy probably sending me a picture of her car.
Either that or her walking to her job.
Yep. Look. Foxy, can I show to everybody else this picture? No power steering is why old men be so strong.
Oh, that's funny.
What question would you have? You can do. Ooh, damn.
Timsky said, were you in a sorority too, Trap 05?
All right, y'all. Stand by for the question of the day. But first and foremost, we got to get to this because Foxy just told me that I could show y'all a picture of this that she just sent me via DM. This is Foxy
phone books
and her first car. Boom. Hopefully y'all can see that. But that's Foxy and her little Mercury Topaz or whatever it is. But shout out to Foxy for sharing, man. We appreciate you. But there's some old ass hubcaps, but you kept them clean. You kept them white walls clean as hell. So you definitely did your thing on that, Foxy. So thank you for sharing that, Foxy. Always make us feel like a family. Always make us feel like a family, man. Always love Foxy. Son, Cryptoshop Junior, if you're listening, 39% of people say that you should be in a golf cart. So was in the army, bitch. All right.
Get him.
Yeah. All right. How old are you, Foxy? Damn.
Oh, y'all too old. Y'all too old.
I'm so done. Y'all better quit clowning, Foxy. Damn, that was a throwback.
Hey, Foxy, I'm surprised that picture was in color. Did you color it in so that it wasn't?
I have it on my fridge. LOL, I was 17. They are clowning you, Foxy. All right, let's get to the question of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Justin has provided us with a question of the day, and I don't want to shaft him, no pun intended. Listen.
Pause.
All right, here we go. If you could know the absolute and total truth to one question, what question would you ask? And my question would be, who killed Tupac? I want to know, was it a conspiracy theory? I need to know who killed Tupac and who killed Biggie. I need to know the absolute truth. I need to know how it happened. I need to know, was the cops involved? I need to know anything. And the reason why is because I feel like rap was on its way to its all-time greatness. And we got knocked off the pedestal because of Tupac and Biggie going to war and then eventually leading to the death and putting a stain on rap forever. I need to know, was Puffy involved? I need to know, was it Biggie's people? I need to know if Biggie got killed, did Puffy do it? I need to know these things.
That was more than one question. This is a line of questioning.
It's a question that creates, in order to get me to the truth, you got to answer a lot of little questions in between. So I feel like I need to know who killed Biggie and who killed Pac. That's my question. Go for it, bro. What's your question?
John, I'm gonna come after your ass, John. You been getting on me all day.
Samuel said, was that what they called a Polaroid?
Yeah, check it like a Polaroid.
He's thinking up that mustache.
Yeah, I know. He been getting on me all day. Berglund took mine though. I want to know if aliens exist and have they visited Earth. That would be mine. I think the government is covering all that up. I think they know, and that's what I want to know. I want to know if we are not alone. I mean, I know we're not alone, but I want the proof, and the proof is in the pudding.
Facts. That's actually a really good answer. I think the chat really likes my answer because everybody's like, Snoop Dogg did it. Snoop Dogg pulled the trigger. Aliens exist, but have they visited Earth? Yeah. Who killed Tupac and Biggie? That's what I said, John Ryder. You can't take my answer. Yeah, Puffy definitely involved. I'm just saying, I just want to know if I had to get the answer and I knew for a fact, like it was, it was the truth. Like, let me know. Like, let me know what happened, man. It just like that changed my life right there. It didn't really change my life, but it was a big moment in my childhood, man.
Well, that's like JFK too. Like, you could get that too. Who killed JFK? Who killed Princess Diana? There's a lot of things we could ask.
Oh, I got another one for you.
Oh, that's a good one, Justin.
I got another one
that's
for you.
That's a great one.
Is there a multiverse?
No. Did Jeffrey Epstein really kill himself?
Who?
Did Jeffrey Epstein
know
really
the
kill
answer to
himself?
that one. Come on, y'all. Y'all know the answer though. Here's another one for y'all.
We don't. Okay.
Here's another one for y'all, and this might be a little controversial, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Did OJ do it? I just want to know. I feel like, look. I really feel like my man was like, I feel like we didn't get that whole story. Yes, he was acquitted, and I know, like, but I just feel like him coming out with the book of, if I did it, this is how I would do it. Like, that was enough for me.
Wait. I heard that he didn't do it, and his son did it, and he was covering up for his son.
But that's
what I heard.
We need the truth, bro. Like, we need to know, did OJ do it, bro?
But if you want to take it down that line, then another line would be when R. Kelly was peeing on that girl, did she really want it? Because she could have moved. That's the real question we need to be answered.
Yes, he peed on her.
Yeah.
Was the pee welcome?
Exactly. Exactly. Did she really want it though?
Oh my God. Right? Did OJ do it? And did the girl that got peed on by R. Kelly, did she really welcome the pee? Those are questions we need answered in our lives. Let me get through this chat, man. Let's see what the chat thinks today, because y'all are on fire today. All right, so we got through Snoop Dogg pulled the future. Yeah, Puffy definitely involved. I want to know what whistleblower created taxes, right? P. Diddy. Yeah, we are the aliens. Yep, all the way he knew. Did Jeffrey Epstein really kill himself? That would be crazy if this whole time we the aliens and we the ones that's walking amongst everybody else, and they like, dude, what y'all doing here? Like, Earth? What is that? Did Jeffrey Epstein really kill himself? Suge and Puff. Is there really a multiverse? That would be interesting. Who shot JFK? I want to know the winning numbers to the next lottery. That's not the truth. That's the future. Does the universe repeat? Epstein was killed. Of course, OJ did it. LOL. He didn't personally do it, but he did it, right? That's what I say. You ain't gonna tell me he just had nothing to do with this. There's too many things that lined up. And why you running away in this damn white Bronco for 3 hours, making us watch you on the highway for 3 hours on the phone? What is you doing, man? Come on, bro. Like, come on. Nope, I ain't buying it. If the glove don't fit, you must have quit. Yeah, famous lines. The glove didn't fit, so you must have quit, right? Maybe OJ killed Epstein. The answer is yes, Oz. That's a waste of question. Yeah, you're probably right, Bird. There's Sarah J. Seals. C-Boy says, yeah. Who said the glove had to fit? Damn.
True.
The blood could have just been wiped, you know? The blood could have been just wiped on there, right? My baby agrees. She said, yes. Leave OJ alone. We all know he did it. Was the urine consensual? Did money involved, she wanted OJ Chloe's dad.
That's a great question. Bro, John, that is a great question. If you ever look at all three of the Kardashians,
Chloe
she's the only one that don't
like
make sense. She's the only one.
Oh, buddy moves people to do anything. 100% facts. Is that Vitalik pick Photoshop? Foxy wants to know, not me. Okay, Tipsy. Okay. It's like trying to find Chad on crypto selling on all of us, for real. The queen did it. That bloodline was at stake. Tipsy, yes. Oh not man. Chad, bro. Y'all crazy.
Hey,
all right, here's another one for y'all. Another question that we need to know the truth too. Did Saitama actually plan on executing?
Oh, you took
like when it's all said and done, did they truly think, without a shadow of a doubt, that they were going to come out with everything that they wanted to come out with?
I think we already have the answer to that.
We got the answer. Bourbon or scotch? Samuel says. She looks like OJ. Yeah, she does.
The other question, not crypto related, is the Illuminati for real?
Yes, it is. It's not a question.
You think there's a New World Order agenda?
Yeah, 100%. And I think it's tied to something to do with Satan.
Okay, so then.
But I'm also a religious man, right? So.
But then the next question is then, do you think that Jay-Z and a lot of other people in the music industry are also in the?
Yep. To an extent, I think they all have a piece. They may not be as quote unquote in as they think. They may have just taken it as some type of deal. Don't make me go down this rabbit hole.
I've been down this rabbit hole before. This YouTube.
Maybe go down this rabbit hole on YouTube. Look, yes, I do. I do think that there's too many coincidences that have been pointed out that make way too much sense. They just make way too much sense. And I've always been told, if the lie smells too much like the truth, there's probably some truth in there, right?
Yeah.
It may not be all true, but I bet you there's some truth there. Who killed Hitler?
Hey, I got an answer for Timsky. He didn't die. He went to the moon with the rest of the Nazis and the Nazi base on the moon.
Sales seekers with all those classified docs as his resort. Who's DT?
I don't know.
Hove involved. Yep. See, soon to rise. Know what's up. Yes, I know a few people from the family, and they invest money like flowing water. Man, they slaves to the Illuminati. I don't know.
Wait, Sam, you know some people who are in the Illuminati?
Oh,
or you talking about the family? You talking about the family like that?
Like OJ?
Yeah. What you talking about?
Yeah, we talked about a lot of topics. What you talking about? Rabbit hole time. Let's have fun, bro. We got 7 minutes. We ain't got enough time for that.
Justin, they're in it for sure. Said Donald Trump did Donald Trump sell secrets with all those classified docs at his resort? Got you. Okay.
Hold on a second, guys. I gotta take this call.
John said, damn, just in the house live in Canada too. Yeah, we might. Berglund said, my question is that I want answered is, what's up with Hobbs' sweat towel? Oh, we'll let him answer that. That's funny. John says, Hitler went to South America with the rest of his SS army. Yeah, I heard that. There's like a whole documentary on a History Channel called Finding Hitler and how he escaped, didn't really die, and went to South America. But I think it's more fun to think that he went to the moon because that just makes more sense to me. And he has a secret moon base, and it's got a little Nazi symbol on the moon where they be operating with their crazy experiments. Berglund says, yes, Trump did sell shit. I don't think he did. I think he was just holding on to it like a memorabilia type of thing. But who knows? Maybe we find out soon enough. John says, there is a town in South America that only speaks German. Really? That's interesting. So you think he put his footprint on there and on them SS people, and they were just talking German, and the people just picked it up? John Roddy says, facts at Berglund. There's no other reason to have top-level docs at his resort, and he wasn't even still president. Yeah, that is true. Hopefully we find out, though. Dillinger Dave said, what happened to Jimmy Hoffa? I don't know who Jimmy Hoffa is. Now I feel like I should probably look up who this guy is. Jimmy Hoffa. Oh, he died. Labor union leader, president
All right,
of
guys.
International Brotherhood of Teamsters. Huh. Never heard of him. You know who Jimmy Hoffa is?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, it's another good one. Who killed that little girl? Her name is Benet, like something. She was
me
like
and my wife watched so many who died, who killed, murder mystery type stuff, bro. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely
like something Ramsey Benet, like Joan Ramsey or something Ramsey Benet. I'm about to try to look her ass up.
There are entire towns and villages in Argentina that speak 100% German. Roddy knows. The family, as in the government, like they're all chosen to run the country, so they call the family, and people confuse them with the Illuminati.
That was the documentary on Netflix, right?
Yeah. It was Joe Rogan, so it must be true. Many SS went to Argentina, John Ramsey or something.
Yeah.
Bone Ramsey. They killed the Hoff and buried him in the desert. Yeah, man, they got rid of John.
I don't know who that is.
People get too much power, they become a target. Like it is what it is. But man, let's go ahead and get ready to get up out of here, Jay. So we got a meeting here in about an hour. So
yeah, we do.
But yeah, man, this has been an absolute pleasure hanging out with you guys, man. But Justin, your final thoughts, good sir. I'm gonna let this music play a little bit in the background because it's fire ass music. You wouldn't know that.
Yeah, it must be nice. The conversations got crazy today with all y'all old head asses in here, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all old heads because y'all are the past and we are the future. So appreciate y'all. But anyway, it has been an amazing show. I hope the market turns around. I do want to be bullish, but I can't help but be bearish right now. But yeah, we're gonna keep tracking it all, and we'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, no and doubt. Go BTFA NFTs and things are fire. Okay.
Yeah, they are fire. Yeah, they are fire. Yeah, man. Absolute. Thank you guys so much for showing up to the shop. Another Wednesday in the books. I actually have some big news to report, or a giveaway to report for tomorrow on Thursday for BTFA. So make sure you're tuning in tomorrow because I'm going to announce it live on my channel. That being said, shout out to BTFA. Shout out to Clear Crypto's family. Guys, I cannot break down how excited I am to be going on this YouTube journey, and I couldn't have picked a better community to lead #the people. You know what I mean? That being said, tomorrow's going to be a fun day. We got the Ethereum merge coming up. Plenty of news to report on that to see how Ethereum reacts to it. Me and Justin will be all over it at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Check us out. Check Justin out on his channel. He's been releasing more and more videos. Check me out on my channel. I'm going to be releasing some more videos, just trying to get life in order over here. But yeah, it's been real. It's been fun, but it ain't been real fun. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Crypto Shop. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.